Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Da-da-da. Welcome! So today we're doing an unboxing of the Boxycharm for July 2019. It's like a longer one this month. Usually it's like a short small box. This one's kind of long, so I'm wondering what's in here. So today we're going to do an unboxing of this. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service for makeup and beauty, like some skincare, and once in a while it's a hair care product. It's very rarely, but mostly it's like makeup and stuff. It's a subscription service for $21 a month. I do have an affiliate code if you want to sign up for Boxycharm. If you see what you like today, you can use it down below. I'd appreciate it, but of course, no pressure. And today let's go ahead and see what's inside this box, because I'm real excited. Alright guys, so let's get into the video, because like, why make this like an hour-long Boxycharm unboxing? This is the inside of this month's box. Let's see what the theme is. Oh, we have two cards. Usually we only have one card that tells us like the price. So the Skin Bar at Ulta Beauty and Alomar Beauty, ready for a facial, $10 facial voucher, it looks like. Or it's like a deal like telling you there's $10 facials at Ulta. Very cool. And then this month's theme is Au Naturel, which is very nice. And then on the back of the card, of course, you have a description of all the items in the box as well as the retail prices. I will also leave the retail prices of all these things on the screen for you so you don't have to look it up and see what it is. Of course, this is a $21 a month monthly box. They always have at least $100 worth of value in here. So let's get into it. So this first thing is Luxie. I don't know how to say this word. Gaia, I don't know. It's this word. But Luxie brushes. I like Luxie brushes. I think they're very cute. So it says, unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. That's so cute. I love that. So I know these are brushes. So we have 3 Luxie brushes in here. These are cute. I'm not a fan of white bristles because they stain, they get gross, and when they're out of shape, it's very noticeable in white bristles. I don't know. But again, really cute, and I like the handle. It's like a pink wood. Could you stop coughing outside my window, lady? Rude. But these are the brushes up close. This is what they look like, and these are the bristles. So we have more of like a flat brush, another flat brush, and then like a fat blending one, but it's not even like a dome top. It's just like a really, really fat one. But this is the perfect brush I would use for like putting down a white eyeshadow, like when you're blending underneath your brow bone after you put a bunch of things on your lid, like you're blending underneath your brow bone area. This is a great brush for that. This I would use for skincare or possibly foundation, but I'm more of a sponge foundation person. And then this I would use to like put a little bit of concealer in center eye for halo eye. So that's what I would use these brushes for. The only thing I don't like about these is the handle's real thick. But like, it's not a big deal, and I do like Luxie brushes, so this is the first thing in the Boxycharm. Next up in here is Alomar. Oh, I've tried this. It's good, y'all. So this is the Alomar Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It is a nourishing prebiotic green mask, advanced skincare. So we got the little card about Alomar $10 facials at Ulta in the box. And I've tried this product before, so I'm gonna grab the one I have and I'll swatch it on my hand for you so you can see it. So I thought this was gonna be like, it says like a super green food mask or whatever, superfood veggie mask. I thought it was gonna be really green, but when I applied it to my face the first time, like, okay, it has like a little bit of a hint to it, but when you put it on, it's very clear. It's not like a super green when you think veggie mask. I thought it was gonna be like really green on my face and like a green facial kind of thing. It's really clear, but I felt like it really made my skin feel clean after I washed it off. So that's the superfood mask. It feels very clean on the skin. Honestly, like sometimes when I do cleansers, I feel like there's a little bit of soap or something left in my pores, but when I did this, it just washed right out and my face felt really clean afterwards. So I definitely recommend, like if you have Boxycharm, make sure to use this mask, because a lot of the skincare in Boxycharm I'm kind of like, I already have a bunch of skincare, but this one I actually really enjoy. So if you are willing to give it a shot, go for it. It's really good. And this retails for $35. The Luxie brushes retail for $30. Next up in the box is a palette. Yay! I love palettes so much. It's a problem. So this is a Butter London palette. It's really cute. This is so cute. So this Butter London palette is the Natural Goddess palette. I'm going to take the little sleeve out. And this is the color scheme. You know, it's really boring, like, but like I'm not mad about it. It's kind of cute. Like, it's kind of, for like being an au naturel box, this kind of fits the aesthetic. I love the packaging for this. This is just adorable packaging. I love that. And then these colors are like, no, I'm not mad about it. Like, it's very neutral, but most people wear neutrals. So this is the back of it. Very simple. I think that's pretty cute. What do you guys think? Let me know, because maybe it's just because there's a green and a blue in here that I'm kind of like not mad about it, honestly. Next up in the box, oh, let me see what this retails for. The Butter London palette retails for $32. Next up in here is something for Alomar Cosmetics. It's a lip gloss. This is the Alomar Cosmetics lip gloss. This retails for $10, mother of pearl gloss. This packaging with the glittery top is everything. And then this color in the inside is everything as well. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't wear lip glosses and I can gift it to someone who will get more use out of it than me. Some people ask why I don't swatch everything. Like, I'll open it for you. But when I'm doing unboxings and it's like a lip gloss or something I know I personally wouldn't use, I'd rather it go to a better home than me swatch it and you already know what it looks like anyways. So this is the $10 gloss. I think it's really cute. I love the packaging. It's really pretty. Next up in here is probably the last. It is the last thing. Make sure, because, you know, I've done that before. I've like thought everything was done and then underneath like the foam or something there's something there and I threw away like eyeliners I didn't know were in the box before. Very unfortunate. This is an Appeal gel liner. It retails for $21. So this is the eyeliner. I like a gel eyeliner. I'm not sure I get too much use out of this really warm tone brown color, but I'm not mad about it. Although $21 seems like a lot for an eyeliner pencil, but then again, I've paid $20 for an eyeliner pencil before, so I guess it's not that bad, but I feel like I see Appeal a lot in these kind of boxes, and I'm kind of like over getting eyeliners and facial cleansers. Like, I'm not mad about the facial mask that we got in this month's box, but I'm so over getting eyeliners and lip liners and cleansers in boxes, so I'm like, right now, maybe like the next one I get I'll like absolutely love and you guys will call me a hypocrite for, but like I'm kind of like over eyeliners, cleansers, and lip liners right now in boxes. But this does retail for $21. I wonder if they got any other colors in the box. If you guys got a cooler color than this, please let me know. I'd love to hear about it. So let's go over everything that we got in this month's box as well as the prices. So we have this Appeal eyeliner. It retails for $21. It is a gel eyeliner. I got a brown color. We got this $10 Alomar Cosmetics lip gloss, which is really pretty. I like the packaging. I think it's a really pretty color. The next thing we got is a Butter London palette, which I'm kind of into. This retails for $32. Like, not mad about it. It's pretty cute. The next thing we got was the LMS Cosmetics Superfood Veggie Mask. These retails for $35. Very cute. I'm very into it. I'm enjoying mine quite a lot, but you don't need a lot, so it's probably gonna last me a really long time. I'm not sure I need another one. And then we got these Luxie brushes, which retail for $30 for the set. I think $30 is a lot for this set, but like, I don't know. They're cute and it's in a Boxycharm. I can't be too mad about it. So overall, that's everything in the box besides like the little $10 facial announcement thing at Ulta and the card. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think of this box. I think it's alright. It's not my favorite box in the world, but I'm actually not mad about it. Like, everything in here I'd probably get a lot of use out of other than the lip gloss and the eyeliner. So the palette, the facial mask, the brushes, probably get a lot of good use out of it, and I'm not mad about it for $21. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Please let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and subscribe if you haven't already, because like that'd be super cool and we could be friends. Alright, bye guys.